welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. Today I want to try something new. I want to groom my eyebrows because they look so bushy. So we are going to try and groom them. So I have Vaseline, then I have these eyebrow razors that I got. There are three of them, so you can just use one until you feel you need to get a new one. I found it nice to get this one compared to the other normal razor, which has two sides. This is more easier to handle or hold when you're grooming your brows. Then I have this, my brush. So remember guys, I've never done this before, so let's do this together. It's called a trial and error, something like that. So if it fails, tuko pamoja. If we manage, then we're together. So we are going to use this as a base for them to just hold down. We see what we are doing, and since we are beginners, we don't want to just find out later that we have cut all our hair or our eyebrow here, because I don't know what I would do if I find out that I've cut all my hair. Okay, so the Vaseline will help you hold down the hair. Oh, that's a lot of nywele. Oh my god. So yeah, there we are. So I'm going to get one of this. Let's see how we get that. Okay, this is becoming a little bit. Oh, here we are. Here we go. This is one of them. So it has a safety cap on top. So it looks like this. You can see it. So let's try. We are going to pull this up so that we can see clearly on what we are doing. So remember, we're just trimming on the edges, just the excess hair. And if you check properly, our brows usually have like a lining of a brown lining. So you will be able to see there's just a guideline of that brown lining of your skin. I just realized you can do this at home. You don't really have to go to the salon all the time. So then we'll just get a tiny brush to, oh, this is just my bag where I place my brushes. So I'll get a brush. Sorry, I have a bit of a cold. So I keep on clearing my throat. We're making progress, guys. Ooh, being a first timer, we're trying. So we will move to the top part. Remember, don't go so low when you're doing this top part. We don't want to reduce all the hair. We just want to shape and remove the excess. I don't know, I like my brows a bit thick. This makeup thing has just always been so hectic to me, but why not? I need to always try out something to see whether you can manage to do it. And if you don't try it, you will never know if you can be able to do it. So you have to try. So where is one of my bros? I don't know whether we've done it perfectly, but we have tried. So let's see. Trial and error. See that? And see that? So all the excess hair is out. I love it. I love it. This is a purple, not a hair. So there we go, guys. So I'm going to do the same on this brow, and then we are going to see the outcome. Let's start doing this other side. There we go. So usually when you have the small scissors, you can trim off long the long brows, because for me now I don't have the small scissors, so I can't cut off with the razor, so I'll just have to do them like that. So I've shaved off the excess hair. That was the goal, the excess hair. That is the goal. So remember, guys, for you to make it easier for you to shave them down, or maybe just polish them a bit or remove the excess hairs, please use the Vaseline. You don't have to use Vaseline, just use any jelly. It will help you as a base to just lay them back for you to see where you really need to trim off. So I'm good. I'm good. So far so good. That was yep. So, and my brows are not bushy as they were before. Okay, so now we can be able to learn how to do the eyebrows. So yes, next process is learning how to do them perfect eyebrows. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you on my next video. Bye.